Hey guys, welcome to my first video of Cozy Plays Official. So today I'll be teaching y'all how to make LLC banners and how to put them in embeds. Make sure to go watch the second video of how you put them in embeds and how you make the embeds of how I do it. So let's get into it straight up. So first, I prefer to use Canva because it's the recommended website. I have Canva Plus, and all of these right here I've made. So please do not think I just copyrighted these. So first, I'm going to get one of the photos. Like, you can take your own photo, and so I like just to put them inside of just like that. And so I'm going to go to text, add in a heading, go to you can either use this one or you can use Poppins, but I prefer to use this one. And then so let's say I want Discord rules. Alright. And so you can choose not to do this, but I like to. I would want to do something like that. And then I'm going to add another heading. I'm going to find the thing that I want. Alright, so you want to add something like that. And then, so you want to pick a color, like something like that, yeah. You don't have to make it like this, I just like this. And then, some of y'all don't know this, so if you search up a line on elements, you hit line, then you scroll up, hit round endpoints, come over here, hit that, and then hit that, and this is for my server, Cozy Studios. You can join the Discord link in the description. Right now let's get into the image. So you have to go to uploads. This is my avatar right here. So if you don't have Canva Plus, then you can't do this. But remove the background and then put this in a way that you would want it. I want it like this. Something like that. I want it to be something like that. And then add another one. Put it somewhere right here. Boom, just like that. And then so you're going to download that, come over to Discord, So we got a new logo, but no, I did not make that one. I made this one, but I made a new logo. Will this one load? No, it's broken. But yeah, I made this one as well, and then a couple more. And then, so what you do is basically you just download it, and boom, that's how I made it look like. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to turn on post notifications. Make sure to join my server, my Discord server, link in the description. Anyways, thanks for watching. And before we leave, I'm hiring some people in my Discord server. I created this like 2 hours ago from this video being posted. 2 days ago. But I hope y'all enjoyed, and peace out.